First app is called Device. It's for controlling notifications to be sent out at specific times of the day. It'll help you cope up with other work and not be distracted with notifications coming always from your phone. You can change the schedule of when you want your notifications to come in as per your wish. Setting up for this is very easy. You just have to click on Get Started and add your Google account. It will automatically list the apps in either instant or batch. In instant, all your important apps such as calendar, messaging and etc. will be stored. The notification for apps under instant will be given instantly, whereas in batch it will come in certain times of the day as per your schedule. Even after setting up, you can always go back to the settings to change the time of the day you want your notifications to come at. The next app is called Creative. It has a good collection of wallpapers, ringtones and many more. It also comes with a feature for image editor. You can choose any image and change saturation, brightness, contrast. The app always refreshes their ringtone collection as per the latest trends. Another nice feature in this app is called Home Screen. You can get a new collection of UIs just for changing your home screen. The next app is called Apps Free. It will help you identify apps on the Play Store which are actually paid but you get it free for some time on a sale. This is not a cracked version of the app but the real app, but when it's on a sale it's always listed here. When you click on the app you can see how long the sale is left for. The next app is called Live Transcribe. It's actually developed by Google. You can talk and it will identify the voice and convert it into text. You can copy it and paste it anywhere else. The transcription for this app is actually pretty good. The last app is actually a fun app. This is mainly for those users who have a phone with a notch. You can actually make use of the notch by displaying the battery indicator on the notch. But the device I have here does not have a notch, so this is how it will look. You can change the color background of the notch or its function. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and why not subscribe. My name is Anirudh and this is Tech Centric.